Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Java programming series. In today's video, we are going to talk about if-else statement in Java. The if-else statement allows your program to choose between two paths of execution based on condition. So in the last video, we have seen how if work. Now we are going to extend that if statement. So this is the basic pseudocode of if-else statement code. And if you see on the first block, it is similar whatever we have learned in the if condition. So the if-else statement in Java is used to execute one block of code if the condition is true, and another block of code will execute if your condition is false. And this is the syntax you can see on the screen. So here the condition is Boolean expression. That means we are expecting some kind of Boolean. And if the condition evaluates to true, then the block of the code inside the first set of curly brace will execute. And if the condition is false, then it will go to the next curly brace condition. That means inside the else statement, and that will be execute. So let's try to see some example, then you can easily understand how if-else statement work. So let's declare one number, int number equal to 10. And now we'll just go with our earlier example. If number is greater than 0, that means number is positive. Now what you can do, and we are going to use else. In case if number is not positive, then try to print some kind of message here. So say like number is negative. So let's run. So you can see currently it's showing number is positive. Why? Let's try to understand. When you try to run in debug mode, here the number value is 10 and is 10 is greater than 0. Yes, that's why it came inside this if statement. So you are able to see this line in the console. So let's again run. You can see here. So let's change the value of number. So I'm going to change as -10. So now what will be happen if we run? Here you can see the number is negative. So here is -10 is greater than 0? No. Then this condition will not satisfy. Then automatically it will go to the else statement. And inside the else statement, we are printing number is negative. So you understand how if and else statement is working. If condition will satisfy, that means condition is true, then first block of if will execute. Otherwise, else block will execute. Let's try to go with odd even number. If number modulus 2 double equal to 0, that means is equal to 0, then we are going to print the message here like number is even. We have already seen this example in our last tutorial. And else, in case if it will not satisfy, then just print like number is odd. So currently number value is -10. So let's go with positive 10. If you divide 10 by 2, you will get remainder as 0. So here 0 and this 0 is equal. Yes, it is equal. So we are going to see number is even. So let's run. You can see we are able to see here number is even. But in case if you change the value as 101, that means 101. And if you divide 101 by 2, definitely you will get remainder as 1. So that's why it will not satisfy this condition. And on that time, it has to show the message like number is odd. So you can see number is odd. So you have to play with this kind of code. Till now you understand how if is working and how else is working. So in the next video, we are going to cover nested if statement.